morning, ladies and gentlemen. Merry Christmas. Lots and lots of snow. Luckily, it's very powdery. That's a lot of snow, man. That is a lot of snow in one evening. So, it wasn't snowing until, I don't know, like 10 o'clock at night. But a little winter wonderland happening out here. Got some cars to sweep off. Got some shoveling to do. Got the bird, Carol bought a new bird feeder, and it's working well. Off to work. Driveway's done. I didn't want to drag out the snowblower just for that. It was kind of light, fluffy snow. If it was a Saturday, I would, but lots of snow. Carol's got to go, and then I'm supposed to be going downtown to ProFusion. I'll make up my mind in the next little bit. I gotta sweep this side of the car off. Hang on. Alright, next up is breakfast. Driveway almost done. I'm gonna probably have a coffee on the way. Carol suggested, since I'm going downtown today and tomorrow night is a very important YouTube meeting for me, that I just stay down there. So I'll probably check in at the Bond Hotel, stay there after ProFusion, shoot a video, edit it, put it up from the hotel, and then tomorrow I need to go to my eye specialist, and then about the pressure in my eyes, and then from there go over to Markham, Unionville, to get talk to my doctor about my shoulder. And then head back downtown for 5 for the YouTube meeting. So, and then I'll be coming home tomorrow night. So I got to pack up and then head downtown. It is now 8:45. I've done all the things I needed to do, got the vlog up and running, and now I'm going to head downtown. But before that, we're going to shower, shave, and the rest of that stuff. Pack up and then go down. We're going down to the Toronto Convention Centre for ProFusion, which is an event held by a store downtown, a very popular video photography store called Vistech. And it's free to get in. And that's where I bought these lights last year, if you guys remember. And stands. So I'm not sure what I'm... one of the main things I'm after is a turntable. So when I put food on a plate, it can turn while you're videotaping it. It'll look cool. So that's my main goal. That's what I really want to get. But right now I need to pack up, get downtown, do that. And then tonight, after ProFusion, I might shoot a video, edit it, put it up tonight, sleep downtown, and then from downtown, you know the rest. Made it down to the Bondhead Hotel.
How long is it?
Till tomorrow. And this is the parking lot right across the street from the Bond Hotel. And just around the corner is Dundas Square. So I found a good spot where I can get out backwards if I need to. There's cars parked right in front of me, but I can back onto the street as long as nobody's parked in that spot, but they're not allowed to anyway. So it's $25 for the day, or $30 for overnight. And of course I'm going to be here till tomorrow. And yeah, everything's good. Like I said, $30. I got till November 15th, 12 p.m. And hope I don't get one of those. Ticket. Don't get a ticket. I'm the only car with snow on it. Snow, dirt, grime. Just noticed I forgot my watch. Damn it. It's at home on the the bathroom counter. Too big of a rush to leave. It's around 10:47. ProFusion opens at 10. Finishes at 5. It's -1 degree right now. And yeah, let's go see if we can get any deals on anything. Large double, please.
Medium or anything else?
That's it, thanks.
Large double.
Thank you. Have a good day. Chances are I can just walk underground, but I'm not sure exactly how to get there from here. It's just across the street, but you might not be able to get across the street. So it's better just to go straight up, over, get hit by a car, end it. Made it safe and sound to ProFusion 2018. Got the badge, got my coffee. You look bored, so I'll come over here.
Thanks. Enjoy the show.
Thank you. Got a lanyard. Took my jacket off, put it on your backpack. Backpacks are great for that. Ooh, they got a robot camera operator here. Ronin.
You see how they got around the idea is not being in the sight line by having like a set.
All right, so we're at Padcaster booth, and they've got like the coolest, smallest teleprompter, and it fits up to how many different lenses you said?
It comes with 13 base mounting rings.
13 base mounting rings, so you can just mount it to your camera, put an iPad on there, and then there you go.
Do it.
Oh, there you go.
So you can see how it works.
Oh, that is so cool. That is wicked. And of course, when you look through the other way, you can't see the letters or the words. Or
Correct.
Right. That's very cool. Thanks. Did lots of walking around. Don't know what time it is because I don't have a watch. Just kidding. It's almost 12. Still have 5 hours walking around. Talked to a lot of people. Talked to the people over here at DJI about my drones, and they're flying a drone right here. Pretty. That's the newest one, I think, with the Hassan. What do they call it? The Zoom? Yeah, this is called the Zoom. And he said there's a difference between the Zoom and the next one up, the Pro 2 or something. And he said the Zoom's just as good. Unless you're shooting for stills. If you're using the drone to shoot stills, the Hassan Block one, I guess the Pro 2 or whatever is better. Anyway, this is where I come here to learn. So I'm back at Ledgo, and I'm going to be seriously thinking about buying this light. As you can see, if I put a camera there, it will add a ring to my eyeball. And it comes with the rails, the grip, an adapter, a power adapter, which is great, which is what I need. She said it will, it'll take the battery. Oh yeah, there it is. So it takes 2 batteries, which are the ones that I bought. That come with this one. So I can use those batteries on this if I want to just use this. Obviously I want to use this and these. I need to buy 2 more batteries, but I'm going to try not to buy batteries today. Well, this is great. We've got some adjustments. Well, that's temperature. So that's outdoor, indoor, and then we've got brightness. That is maximum, off, on, 100%. And we've got our on/off button. Screw your camera to the top. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. And I'll save $100 if I buy it today at the show.
The subject, it's keeping it in focus. It loses focus for a second as my other son runs by. It grabs it again, and then when he goes out of the frame, it picks up his face that quickly, and it's working in real time.
I think I've seen all the things I need to see. I think it's a little bit smaller than last year. So I remember going all the way down to that wall, and it's been cut off by about 100, 150 feet. I got to talk to a lot of people about things that I need to know to continue production the way I want to continue productions. And like over here, they're doing like a little lighting seminar with a woman that's all painted gold.
Bought this monopod for $60. Put an umbrella bracket on it.
So this demonstrations on how to do stuff. Again, DJI was awesome. Got to talk to them about some things. I think I'll be buying that ring light because I think I could utilize that when I do stuff at my table, especially mukbangs and things. And that way I could literally shut my window, and that way if the light changes, the ring light will be constant and continuous. But a couple things I really wanted to get was kind of like a softbox, or it's almost like a reflector, but it's a diffuser, and I needed something small to put in my car to deflect or diffuse the light that I needed to do a production in my car. So anyway, I think I got all the things I needed to see. Got to talk to all the people I needed to talk to. Monfrado this year doesn't have their articulating arms, which they had last year, because I was thinking about buying another one of those. I think I need a third one. But yeah, it's time to go hit Toronto. All finished up at the show. Got my new circle light, and they didn't have the little Joby tripod that I wanted to buy for this camera that I'm holding. And I think the show special was only saving you $10, and because they didn't have it here, they said we have it at a store and we'll ship it to you for $15. I'm like, no. That's going to cost me $5 more than if I just buy it at a store. So I don't need it right now. I'd like to get it in the near future, but yeah, I guess people buy their stuff and then they start playing with it right away. You gotta play with it. Gotta play with your toys. So I'm gonna walk all the way back to my car. I'm gonna check into the hotel, dump all my stuff, and so I'll show you the hotel, and then we'll go for a walk and get some food. Made it back to the hotel, grabbed all my stuff out of the car, go inside, relax. I guess I edit today's vlog, and then think about what I'm gonna do for dinner. Hello. We're checking in under Domik. Sure. We're on floor 17. Last time I was here was 18. All right, looks like we're down this way. 7 is our room. All right. You guys recognize this hotel. The same setup as last time. I think the last time I was here was for, what's it called? Buffer Fest. Didn't go this year. Nice view. It's not to Toronto view. I think there's a building in the way anyway. Well, that's kind of cool. A little extra cabling. Fascinating. You can check my car, make sure it's still there. Oh yeah, the church is right there. Cool. This is my room. Not much of a desk space to work on. I think they call this the business class room. But like I said, not a whole lot of room for working there. I love this glass door. It's pretty cool. Oh, and that worked the light over there. Nice. This is probably the hall light. Yeah. Bathroom light. Now this place is for the money, it is awesome. Right downtown Toronto. Dundas and Yonge, basically. It's a nice shower. I don't like the whole no door thing. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Yeah, same style room I had last time. All right, so I'm gonna upload this footage to the computer, and while I'm doing that, I'll be looking for a place to eat. That Japanese place that I ate the udon stuff is like right there. Hokkaido Ramen Sentuka. Hope I said it right this time. I always say it wrong. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned tomorrow for more vlogs.